Manila is the busiest city in the world. The train is very crowded. You hear a lot of stories of people tend to, slash the bag, get valuables.
That's him. He was lovely. We travelled all over the world, really. And then he became ill and couldn't travel. He said I had to learn to do things on my own and get tough. He gave me tickets to go to Venice on my own, by myself.
So I love working at the pharmacy because I meet every day new people. But my real passion is music.
On a good day, traveling to school would be an hour and a half. During rush hour, 3-4 hours. I love the bag being slash-proof. You can't cut through it. It saved my ass more than once.
It saved me in Athens. I didn't even have to press the button, but they got it. That's why I bought the thing, because I wanted to be safe abroad, definitely. I wouldn't have travelled myself if he hadn't made me do these things when he was alive. For me, it was good. It gave me a lot of confidence. It was important for me to go on and live.
My girlfriend told me to play for other people, not just for myself. When I play to other people, I'm excited.
I'm usually away 12 hours a day. I'd love to go to Europe one day. I'll see you later. When I want to be alone, I usually ride a motorcycle.
He was a very wise man. I was lucky.
I'd love to travel alone, explore the world, do things that I don't need my parents' approval.
For the future, I want to know new people, put their stories into my songs.
I have travelled across Europe by myself, on my own. And it was wonderful.